Hi, Zach Fugate with Proactive Safety Services, here to provide you your April Safety Talk. A confined space has limited openings for entry or exit, is large enough for entering and working, and is not designed for continuous worker occupancy. The term permit required confined space refers to spaces that meet OSHA's definition of a confined space and contain a health and safety hazards. By definition, a permit required confined space has one or more of these following characteristics. It contains or has potential to contain a hazardous atmosphere. It contains a material with potential to engulf someone who enters the space. Has an internal configuration that might cause an entrant to be trapped or asphyxiated by inwardly converging walls or by a floor that slopes downward and tapers to a smaller cross-section, and or contains any other recognized safety or health hazards. You need to follow these steps to protect yourself when entering a permit-required confined space. Do not enter permit-required confined spaces without being trained or without having a permit to enter. Review, understand, and follow employers' procedures before entering permit-required confined spaces and know how and when to exit. Before entry, identify any physical hazards. Before and during entry, test and monitor for oxygen content, flammability, toxicity, or explosive hazardous as necessary. Use employers' fall protection, rescue, air monitoring, ventilation, lighting, and communication equipment according to entry procedures. Maintain contact at all times with a trained attendant, either visually, via phone, or by a two-way radio. This monitoring system enables the attendant and entry supervisor to order you to evacuate and to alert appropriate trained rescue personnel to rescue entrants when needed. Thank you, and now stay tuned for a look at our new confined space simulator.